In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move a copy of an item from one board to another in Monday.com, so you can stay organized without losing the original task. First, open your browser and log in to your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, go to the board that contains the item you want to copy. Find the item, then click the checkbox next to it so it's selected. Now look for the three-dot menu beside the item. This is the item options menu. Click it and choose duplicate. This will create an exact copy of your item, including its details and structure, while leaving the original in place. Once your duplicate appears on the same board, select it again. Now right-click on the duplicated item or open the menu options and choose Move. Then choose Move to Board. A pop-up window will appear showing your available boards. Simply choose the destination board where you want this copied item to go. Once you confirm, Monday.com will instantly move the duplicated item into that board, keeping your workflow clean and organized. And that's it. You've successfully created a copy of an item and moved it to another board without affecting the original. This simple trick is great for managing repeating tasks, templates or workflows across multiple projects while staying organized. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.